Hi guys! I am downtown today at Mrs. O'Leary's Mercantile. This is the only place where I can come and get the paint that I need for my project that I'm getting ready to start. And so today I'm bringing you with me to one of my favorite little spots in Old Town, Wichita, and it is called Mrs. O'Leary's, and it's an art supply store, an amazing art supply store. They also have antiques and scrapbooking stuff, and they teach art classes. It's just a really cool place. So let's go. AKA our life, Keith's my husband,
Abby's my wife.
our daughter went to college. What did we do?
Started a blog to make videos for you.
Okay, you guys, I'm home from the paint store, and you may be wondering what project I'm taking on today. Well, first of all, I'm in the master bedroom, and as you can see, the dresser is staying clean and neat, and we haven't put any more junk on there since we redid it, so yay me. My next project is actually right over here, and it is this fireplace. So this is not a real fireplace. It's one of those just decorative ones. It does put off some heat. It has a heater built into it, but it's not a real actual fireplace. But it's cozy for our bedroom, and we sometimes use it when it's cold in here, like especially in the winter time. And so right now it looks like this. So here's the fireplace, and it right now is a dark stained wood. And I have decided that I'm going to paint it white. And I'm also going to get some new decorations to go above. Right now I just have some books and some knickknacks, but I think I want to restyle this entire thing. If you've been watching our vlogs for a while, you've heard me talk about this paint before. The paint that I use is Annie Sloan Chalk Paint. And you have to find a stockist in your area that carries this. You can't just buy this at your local big box store. You have to find an actual stockist. So you can go to Annie Sloan's website and look for one in your area. There are two in our area, but the one that I've been buying from for years is Mrs. O'Leary's downtown. And the people that work there are so, so nice. So I've gotten this paint. This is just the pure white. And I am going to paint the fireplace white. Okay, so while Keith was home on his lunch break, I got him to help me move this piece a little bit out from the wall, and we put an old sheet down to protect the carpet. And I am now wearing my favorite painting clothes. Please don't judge me. But this Old Navy sweatshirt has seen me through so many painting projects, and you can see it's a little worse for wear. You can tell what colors I use by just looking at my sweatshirt. But it's my favorite shirt to wear whenever I'm painting, and I can just white paint on there and I don't worry about it. And then I've got some sweatpants, same thing, that I paint in these all the time. This is just my usual. If you ever see me wearing this Old Navy salmon colored hoodie, then you know I'm up to a painting project, because this is my official paint uniform. All right, so don't judge. But I've gotten everything prepped. I've cleaned this. It was really dusty, so I cleaned it off. And the great thing about Annie Sloan paint too is you don't have to do any primer or even sand. It just goes right on, and it sticks really wonderfully. So let's get started. y'all, I'm finished painting for today. You can see it's now white, and this took about 2 coats. I'm gonna have a little bit of touch up to do tomorrow. And also tomorrow, I'm gonna bring Keith with me to Hobby Lobby to choose some things to go over top of this. So here's the finished fireplace, and I think it looks really nice in white. It definitely goes better with the room. And here are the decorations that we currently had above it, but I think what we'll do is tomorrow we'll go shopping and find something that goes here that maybe is a little bit bigger instead of a bunch of knickknacks, maybe just one big piece to go here. Not sure exactly what I'm looking for, but we'll know it when we see it. Okay, so join us tomorrow. We will go to Hobby Lobby and or wherever else we end up and find some things to decorate this area. And we have a couple other small changes we're gonna be making in our master bedroom to kind of finish it off and style it and make just some little changes, just freshening it up a little bit. So join us tomorrow for that, for part 2. I didn't get this style today. Obviously it still needs to dry. So, and I definitely want Keith's help and opinion. So we will just table this for today, and it'll be to be continued. So come back tomorrow and you can see the finished product, and you'll see kind of how we style that. All right, well, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope I inspired you to get some of those little projects done that you've been wanting to do. I know I've been thinking about painting this for probably years, and I'm finally getting around to doing it. So I think it looks great, and we'll see you tomorrow. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In case we don't see ya, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.
Be sure to